Obi Kubana, come close. Chief priest, come close. You Ledoche, come close. I want to define something for you. Now the question is, who is a boy? The dictionary says that a boy is a young male human, typically referring to a child or adolescent before reaching adulthood. He is a male from birth through childhood and adolescent until he matures into a man. Now, let me summarize it. The term boy generally describes someone under 18 years of age. Now, I want to ask you, Obi Kubana, are you below 18? Chief Priest, are you below 18? You, are you below 18? All of you that are operating, working for this City Boys movement. City Boys movement. I don't know if you actually question the name first. If it is City Men's Movement, I don't have any problem with that. You understand? But City Boys, sometimes indirectly champion. I'm not questioning the structure, because you know the reason, the things they gave you. You know the reason, or what is beneficial, what's going to benefit the community or you people. Because now when government appointment now be free, something another inside. But at least tell them that the name, all the insulting. He can medically 18 years, 18 years, and that was only a boy. Obi I be a boy. Odrom I can say, address this. Tell them, Tinubu change that name. Oh, those people you appointed, they are not boys. If you want boys, go to the street, go to the secondary schools, pick some boys and let them champion this City Boys movement. Because advice can